When your BT YouView box enters maintenance mode, it becomes temporarily unusable while performing system diagnostics, software updates, or error recovery procedures. Several factors can trigger maintenance mode. The most common cause is interrupted software updates, but network connectivity problems, hard drive corruption, power interruptions, and overheating can also be responsible. To resolve maintenance mode issues, we have two primary methods. The first and most effective approach is the soft reset method, which has approximately a 70% success rate. If the soft reset doesn't work, try the factory reset method using your remote control. This approach has an 85% success rate and involves holding specific buttons to access the recovery menu. Modern YouView models from 2025 onwards feature improved recovery mechanisms that can automatically resolve many maintenance mode issues. However, legacy devices may still require these manual intervention methods to restore normal operation. When basic troubleshooting methods fail to resolve YouView maintenance mode issues, advanced techniques and prevention strategies become essential for long-term reliability. The network reset method is highly effective for persistent maintenance mode issues. This approach involves disconnecting your internet connection, allowing the box to restart in offline mode, then reconnecting the network after a complete boot cycle. For persistent issues that resist network reset attempts, contacting BT Technical Support provides access to professional service reset procedures. These include remote diagnostics and potential hardware replacement if component failure is confirmed. Prevention is always better than cure. Key strategies include ensuring stable power supply, maintaining proper ventilation with minimum 10-centimeter clearance, avoiding interruption of update processes, and regular network connectivity checks. BT has significantly enhanced their support infrastructure with comprehensive online troubleshooting portals, community forums for peer support, and proactive customer notifications for scheduled maintenance windows. Remember, patience is crucial when dealing with maintenance mode issues. Most YouView boxes recover automatically within 20 to 30 minutes if left undisturbed. Premature intervention often complicates the recovery process.